Did you eat already?
Yeah. I'm done.
So I try this one. Say hi naman, baby.
No.
Say hi. Happy. That noise there is the whole day. It's like that.
They're fixing 2 apartments.
Yeah. I was trying to take a nap yesterday. It's noisy. Holiday. Holiday ngayon kasi 4th of July. So, Independence Day. Sa atin, Independence Day. Maraming mga ano guys, pag Independence Day dito guys, maraming mga events. Lalo na sa gabi, mga fireworks display. Ang gaganda ng mga fireworks display nila. So, masaya pag ano. Kaso lang minsan malalayo din. Meron dito sa, kasi kami dito kami sa Boyd County, sa Miami-Dade. Tapos meron din sa Broward. Ibang ano naman yung ibang district ng ibang county din. Ano ba ang county sa Philippines? District. Ay, iwan mo, hindi. Ano ba ang county sa Philippines? Basta yun na yun. Ano dito kami sa Miami-Dade County. Tapos, saya pag gano'n dito dahil so, luto ako ng scrambled egg. Mag-toast ako ng nagkakto naman ng mga soup. Nalagyan ko na ito. Hindi pa pala. Tapos, hindi ko na pwede dito. Sana ko dito na. Sep! Nak!
What's the toothpick, babe?
Ano na tatap? Sep!
Here?
Yeah. Sira na naman daw yung ano niya. She said that his headset is not working.
Because he left him outside in the rain. He cannot buy nothing because he'll break
Yeah.
everything.
Is it good? Is that good for them? It's okay? No. That's from Costco.
I'm already done with that anyway. I'm full.
What is county in the Philippines?
Huh?
What is county? It's like
County?
like a town? Because we're in Miami-Dade.
Oh, county.
Yeah, we're in Miami-Dade County, right?
Province. Different different barrios. That's it.
Like
Something like that.
And then,
Municipal.
what is that?
Municipio.
So guys, learn something right? So county pala tayo guys. Parang munisipyo sa atin. Municipality. Yeah, municipality. We're in Miami-Dade. Tapos, maganda dito manood ng mga ano, mga fireworks display, pero mga live band. Yan pa. Ito na ngayon parang ano, maulan. Ano na yun, nung last year, maganda. Init. Pero ngayon lang, parang may tropical depression. It's been 1 week already na it's raining. So, nakakaumay na rin yung ulan. Ano yung breakfast namin? Breakfast tayo. Rice is life. Rice is life, guys. Then sausage. Nakali na! Kain na kami. Nantay ko lang yung coffee. Ayun. Ano na yung aking toast ako ng ano, guys. Ng bagels. Aray. Ang init. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng cheese. Ayan o. So, kain tayo. Tapos may coffee ako.
A few moments later.
Garage namin dito, guys. Yan yung dalawang car namin. Yung isa doon sa kabila. Sa ano, sa guest. Yung isang car. Nakita niyo sa kabila. Yan yung ano, car ng anak niya na lang. Itang ano na ngayon. Parking namin dito, guys. It's raining. It's raining today, guys. It's raining, raining. Ano? Kasi parang may tropical depression kasi ngayon, guys. 1 week na umuulan. It's like this, on and off, on and off. The weather is bad today. It's been a week already like this.
Not good.
So, because it's already hurricane season, guys.
Moon
That's why
sun
it's
on
always-
West Coast.
It's always like this.
What is it called in the Philippines?
Monsoon.
Yeah, that's what they got
Yeah.
here. But we need water anyway.
Monsoon rain. Kaya laging ganito. Kaya hindi ka makapamasyal. Ganda sana ngayon punta ka ng park kasi mayroon silang mga events. May mga fireworks display mamayang gabi. And I don't know, the weather is bad. But it shows in the weather forecast that
55% rain. It's gonna rain. See, it's raining.
but 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, it's not raining na. Ayan, so we'll see. We'll see later, guys. Yes, guys, happy 4th of July. It's rainy Friday here in Florida. So see you later. Bye-bye.